Welcome back to another episode of What the Hell Am I Doing? So, I am on StocksToTrade, which is a platform that Timothy Sykes has created to help penny stock traders figure out the best plays of the day. And I am not the best at it, but I will tell you what I know. So, I ran a screener today, which I figured out how to set up through their intro videos. So I want the stock price to be less than $20, greater than $1, have a percent change of 10% or more, and have a volume of more than 5,000. And when I ran this at 9:30 or 9:15, only IDXG came up. And right now it's halted. And let's take a look at it. So it started off the day at $4.15, and now it's gone up to $11. And this has been halted at least 4 or 5 times today because of its volatility. So if we look at it from the start of the day, here. So it started increasing in price action. It got up to 10.25 over here. And then it started downtrending. And here it was halted maybe 3 or 4 times. And then it was consolidating in the 8s. And recently it started jumping back up again, and it just got halted. So this is interesting because I've been watching it the entire time, and the tricky part is, when do you jump in? Do you jump in? Who knows? It comes with a certain amount of risk and confusion and needs bravery. Now, the general philosophy is that if you decide to go in and you're wrong, you should sell immediately so that you're cutting your losses quickly. I decided to not jump in when it was at $8 because I just felt unsure. But now look, it's at $11, but it's also halted, so which means it's temporarily stopped. So, if I look at how much people are willing to buy it for, there's still a few people here that are willing to buy it for $10, $11, almost $12. And then you have more buys in the $7.92 range. At least that's my understanding. And then this is, okay, here it goes again. And this is what people are willing to sell it for. So anywhere in the 11s and 12s, and now 13s. So let's see, theoretically, if you jump in at 10.68, which it just was, then you're sort of riding this wave. What's going to happen? Who knows? And, you have to figure in that you're spending $10 to buy the stock and $10 to sell it if you're with a sort of regular broker like an E-Trade. So we said 10.68 we were in, right? And this is such fast price action, but look, it's gone up 150% on the day. So I'm just not good at math to calculate that. Well, let's see. What's 151%? If you invested $100, you would be up $250, I guess. And now it just keeps going. I'm not sure what the sort of roof of this is. And from what I understand, once a penny stock really goes too high, you could potentially short it on its first red day. Let's see, what did it do 2 months ago? Does that mean it went as high as $19? Is that its potential? Not sure. $20? That's still 19. So even from 6 months ago, nothing's happening. And then sometime in December, it went as high as $19. Yeah, because look at the 52-week high, it was 1980. So could this stock be trying to, how do I get rid of these news things? Not sure. Could this stock be going back to its former high? And if so, will it be a double top where the stock reaches the former high of 19 and then crashes, or will it continue to soar? And I guess the philosophy is get in, get the meat of the move, and then get out. But for me, I feel unsure. But look, let's say we got in at 10.68. It's already at $12. So technically that would have been a good trade and you could have sold off. And now it can easily go in the other direction as well. And at $12 a stock, a piece or share, I don't know, it feels kind of risky to me. But it is interesting to watch. But you do sort of feel like you're sitting on the sidelines. And this software isn't cheap. You're looking at upwards of $150 per month. So generally you'd like to make money with it. But it also requires a bit of bravery and study and knowing when to do what. But at the time, I'm just not sure. But based on my guess, it did go up. But it's gonna hurt if it starts to crash. Let's calculate on my phone how much potential profit there could have been. So let's see. Let's say we got executed at $10.68, and let's say we bought 500 shares of that. That's about $5,340, $350 if you're looking at the commission. So now let's say you sell those 500 shares at $12.55. You're already at $6,275, and that's the idea and hope that you can make money with a small account in a very volatile stock. Crossed above $10 high at $12.64. So now it's in a new range. Now is it downtrending? Looks like people are selling off because they're scared, because nobody knows which direction it's going into. It's sort of a gamble. But it is interesting to watch. So thank you for watching my first video, guys. This is my first video, and this is first episode of what the hell am I doing? Thank you.